All right, lads, welcome back. No SMTs, not really much going on inside of these charts right now, guys. Obviously, we know the draw and liquidity is higher, but there's not much opportunities to be had as of now. You can see the way that these wicks are just behaving. So you can see here, 74-point wicks, 100-point candles. Not something I'm interested in trading as of yet. We haven't really taken any short-term highs, any notable short-term highs anyway. So I don't think there's much going on, guys. It's very stale right now, which is not what I was expecting for today, to be honest with you. Even though we have displaced lower, I've taken a short-term high, but it's not something I'm interested in, to be honest. As of now, anyway. Of course, things change. I mean, you do have a very small fair value gap, obviously resting inside of this zone right here. But I don't think I'm confident in taking that. It hasn't really swept anything. I mean, it's taken out the short-term high. Yeah, but with price sweeping these London lows prior to this, it's not something I'm confident in taking. We'll wait for a cleaner setup, guys. This is like a half setup. Price is respecting that. I don't know. I don't understand why. Let's go to this. It's throwing me off. Nice strong close. No, I don't like it, guys. I don't see a point in taking this without a prior sweep of anything. Yes, hasn't swept anything. Hasn't filled any imbalances in. It's just a market structure shift. Simply all it is. So price has come back into this demand zone. So you can see, I don't need to mark out. You can see what the yellow box is. So we can see that if we can see this get swept one more time, we'd have our unicorn model set up inside of this zone, which is something I'd really want to take to come and target these data highs. Do we have any 2 minute? Just gonna. All right, that's what we wanted to see. Come on, price. Let's just see this push up. Stop fucking around. Yeah, it's good. This is good behavior. You see how it went to shoot down, then just shot straight back up. It's kind of what we want to be seeing after we see the market structure shift, and then we definitely will be taking this. 100%. Slow price action once again. We get rid of this London lows. I don't even know why that's on my chart anymore. So now we're just waiting for ES or NQ to sweep this low right here. Ideally to give us an SMT. It's kind of what we're looking for right now. There's not much else really going on. Yeah, it's been a bit of a shit day to be honest. I mean, after the insane move that we had in the PM session yesterday, yeah, it's kind of expected for it to be a little bit slower. There's a lot of excitement in the market right now. Everybody trying to get in a trade. You know, market's going up. There's a lot of euphoria running through the veins of traders. So, yeah, market's setting up. It's acquiring liquidity to perform the bigger move. That's all that's happening. We just want to catch this bigger move. But yeah, the only opportunity was really here. But I didn't really like it. So therefore we didn't take it. About a prior sweep of this high or these wicks or a data high. Data high is still present. We still have London highs present. We still have previous day high / Asian highs present. Don't really want to be taking shorts. And that's okay. Yeah, it was not clean. No, it was not clean. It's like this is a B setup. It's a yeah, there's not much going on. It's a bit of a gamble this one. I'm not really about that. Yeah, you know that, Devon. It's fucking a snooze fest over these sides. It's a snooze fest, man. That's it, mate. Yeah, that's it, mate. It's as simple as that. You know, around here, we're only taking the best subs. We're not taking all that shit. We're not clip farming. Fuck that. I'm here to make some bread. Hey, Manuel, I never asked where you're from, brother. Where you from? If we can get an inverse of this, I would be interested. Oh, you're the Greek guy. Okay, yeah. All right. Yeah, I know exactly who you are. Yeah, I get confused. There's loads of names that come and go in here. I think some people just don't stick to the plan. They kind of just, you know, they get impatient. They see we only take 1 or 2 trades a week, and they run away, which is fine. Yeah. I'm not about being in a trade every day. I just take what I see. That's slow money. Yeah, I have a different. Yeah, what is that profile picture? It looks like a. I can't even tell what that is. My monitor is so far away for the chat anyway. If we can inverse this, I may take it. First target would be that high right there. Put it at the But the candles are slowing down now. You can see we can actually have a little bit of leg room for a stop, unlike what we've had throughout the week where you can't even acquire a valid stop. Ah, these wicks are killing me. Maybe a PM session, boys. Yeah. So I'm coming. I'm going to Spain in a couple of weeks, and then we'll be actually coming to Greece. I don't know which part of Greece. I just want beaches and cocktails and beach bars and shit like that. But I'm definitely coming to Greece sometime this year. I love Greece, man. I've been to Greece about 4 times, I think. I love Greece. You've been to Barcelona? Nice, bro. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna take that. Out. There we go. First. Shit. 50% closed now. All right. Let's get these stops to break even. And we'll have our second TP right there. Oh, fuck it now, man. And then our final TP will rest. There's those data highs. So I'll put it just at the entry of this right here. Just like that. Alright guys, once again, price moves so quickly I didn't even have time to put in the first TP, but at the 50% close you should be up about 33 handles on that trade. So we're going to move we've got a second TP at the 18670.25 and our slots are at break even, which I just put my entry point inside of the signals room right now. So alright guys, see if we can secure second TP or not. second TP. Alright guys, make sure you're moving your contracts down. Just one. So from that high, that puts us approximately. How many handles did we secure on that? I believe 53. Alright, nice. Not bad trade. And then of course we've got a very, very optimistic final TP. Alright guys, happy days. Easy work. So does anybody want a breakdown of why we took this trade? Or I mean it's pretty straightforward, but we can break it down, no problem. Hopefully this is a bit more long-winded than second TP, but we'll take second TP. Money in the bank. See if we can get an acceleration here in price. That would be exactly what we're looking for. So we want to see price actually respect this 2 minute that we have resting right here. Price can respect that. We should be golden here. Yes, please. First day here. Yes, big man. We St. Lawrence. Yeah, bro. No, we hit these trades all the time, but yeah, just price action right now. It's extremely hard because of the stop placement. So yeah, we've secured we're out of about 75% of the trade at this point. So we've secured most of the gains. Of course, if we can end up hitting this final target at the data highs, that would be exceptional. But we really need to see this 2 minute hold. Otherwise, that will be us just secured 50 points. 50 points is 50 points, man. We'll take 50 points. I'm getting ready to say stop to it. Getting ready to say stop to a profit because I think that'll be us out of this trade. There we go. Alright guys, so that'll be it. So we just took a simple inversion fair value gap after sweeping the sell side liquidity. Of course, we didn't get the trade that we wanted, but there you go. That's why you always put your stops at break even, guys, because you can just get wicked out of the trade. So, happy days. Scored some nice gains today. It's a bit more cash in the bank. We don't really typically take inversion fair value gaps, but this is something that I really was happy to see. So yeah, happy day, guys. Happy day, happy days, guys. So we'll call the stream there. How many handles we secure? 84, 84 plus 3. So 84. All right, lads. I'll catch you boys in a bit. Have a nice day, guys. Take your gains. Do not trade this market. This market is dog shit. I'll keep it a buck with you guys. It's absolutely trash. We just saw an opportunity. We took it. Had to be quick on that one. Happy days. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the final session of the week, and hopefully we can turn it into a 3 out of 3 week. And yeah, secure over 200 handles on this week alone. And it's a very difficult week to trade this. You know, you're going to see accounts getting blown. Don't get me wrong, you're going to see on social media that people are hitting these monster trades of 50 grand, 500k, whatever the fuck they're saying. It's not realistic, bros. Most people are actually genuinely losing in this market because of how quickly it's moving. You know, they'll have one trade, it'll get stopped out, and then they'll overtrade and they'll just blow their accounts, guys. So the fact that we're in profit is a fucking big, big, big thing to be proud of. So, catch you guys in a bit. Peace.